Hello everyone, hello again. I come back today with a new recipe which is wonderful, so yummy and tasty and so easy to make. 10 minutes and it's ready without oven or stove, without gelatin or eggs. It's really so simple, and if you try it, you're gonna love it. With so simple ingredients, really so simple, only lady fingers biscuits, whipping cream, bananas, and some raspberry. You're gonna make this nice dessert. At the beginning, I'm going to put the lady fingers biscuits in the milk for 1 or 2 seconds, not more. If you put it for more time, more than 1 or 2 seconds, it's not going to be so tasty. And I'm going to put every two pieces together in the dish, just like this. It's really so easy and simple. The dish will be enough for 4 pieces from this dessert. You'll see at the end how it will be. But now you should put every 2 pieces together, and that's it. Now I'm almost finished from the first layer. Look at it, just like this. After that, I'm going to put a layer of cream of the biscuits like you want. You can make it like I do, or you can put it using a spoon, or you can choose how you put it on the biscuits without any complications, just like this. Don't tell me that it's so hard. It's really so easy. I'm almost finished from putting the cream on the biscuits, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do after that. Now, look at it. I'm going to put another layer from the biscuits. I'm going to put the biscuits in the milk for 1 or 2 seconds, and I'm going to put it on the cream. Is it hard? No, I don't think so. I'm going to put 2 pieces of biscuits on the whole pieces that I have. Now I'm going to put another layer of cream, just like I did before. I'm going to try that I don't move my hands. But if I did, of course, it's not a problem or a trouble. I'm just want to make sure that the surface is flat, not more. Now, my favorite part, the decoration. I'm going to decorate this nice dessert with banana and raspberry. I'm going to take 1 banana and cut it for 2 pieces, and I'll put 1 piece on the top. I'm going to put a half banana on the top of the dessert, and that's it. Did you see? Just like this. Also so easy. After that, I'm going to decorate the pieces with some of chocolate cream. I use this one. You can use any other cream or chocolate that you want, like you prefer. After that, I'm going to put some raspberry on the top too, just like this. Wonderful color. Now I'm finished. It was really so easy. If you try it, you're gonna love it. And if you like the recipe today, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to activate the bell to get every new video and a new recipe. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments and I'll be so happy to answer it. And if you like the video, you can share it with family and friends. I'll be so happy to. And I'm going to put the whole ingredients in description box under the video to be sure that you have the ingredients to make the recipe. See you in a new video and a new recipe very soon. Until that time, I wish you to be healthy and good. Bye bye.